So here are the apple trees, different sort of apple trees. So he is very rich. And not only apples, he also have different sort of pears and cherries. So you can visit their website and you can read more about Julita garden as well. So it's really nice place. So in the other area as well, they have fruit trees, and the trees is very old. Some of the trees here is very old. So the owner was buried. So inilibing po siya in the other side. So it's really beautiful place to visit. So dahil wala nga siyang pamilya, he don't have any family, so he donated it to the Nordisk Museum. So therefore, that's why it called Nordiska Museum. So ano siya guys, castle, tapos museum, tapos kasi ang laki ng area na to guys. It's a very big area. So ginawa na siyang museum. So the one who is taking care of this is the northern people. So yeah, I think this one is pears. So such a beautiful place, really. So ayan din yung garden nila. So we gonna visit the garden, but for a while we are here in the apples, cherries and pears. So this is mixed farm. So if you love to walk, so this area is best for you. And they also have bees, since they have a lot of trees, flowers, so they also have bees. So look at that. So meron silang dito guys, na pag time to harvest na ng apples, so they have this called different sort of apples na paibis. Kan man se?
Ja, man kan se.
So, ayan. Meron din silang sariling bees. Oh, diba? So, since they have a lot of flowers and trees, so the bees are free.
Det finns mer bin där, man ser ingången och även på andra sidan så flyger de ut.
Aha. Yeah. So they have their own bees. Akta dig Sandra. Så.
Det är mera på den om man vill titta i det. På den sidan av huset.
Här. Oh. There is the bees. So, and this is the fact. Ayan. The house bee. Ayan. So, bees have different kinds of job as well. Meron silang tagalinis. Yan. Yan yung queen. So, yan yung queen. Meron silang ambi. Yan yung taga-alaga ng egg. At saka, larva. The house bee, oh, the job is fixa honey o pollen. Ang big bee, ayan yung mga taga luto o taga forma, o di ba? O vac bee, sila yung ayan, guardian, o di ba? Sprayer, ayan yung. So, iba-iba din pala ang klase ng bee. Meron din silang, after 6 days, bees ma-dead. So, ayan. O, diba? Yan yung fact sa bee. So, ipostaan na dito. So, pupunta tayo dito sa kabila bago tayo mag-ano sa other area. So, ayan. So, mga trees lang talaga to. Papakita ko sa inyo. Or, not trees. Fruit trees and trees. So, ayan. O, diba? Dito, guys, kahit everywhere kami pumupunta, talagang nai-enjoy ko siyang puntahan. So, meron silang entrance. Of course, they need entrance para naman sa pag-aalaga sa area. Alam nyo naman ang laki-laki. Saka syempre need talaga alagaan. So ayan. So yan mga trees pa rin yan. Fruit trees pa rin. O diba? So pretty. Yan. Tapos pupunta tayo sa meron talaga silang peonies garden. Iba't ibang klase at iba't ibang variety ng peonies. So, this is apple. So, beautiful, isn't it? Nature. Very nature. So, the owner of this was very kind or generous. Kasi imagine, dinonate niya to. So, ayan. So, may mga maliliit-liit pang bahay. Yan. So, malapit din siya sa malaking lake. May mga maliliit-liit pang bahay. Yan yung bell. Tapos, punta tayo mamaya nga sa ano. Punta tayo mamaya sa yan. O, diba? Siguro yung mga maliliit-liit na bahay na yan, yung mga workers nakatira. Tsaka, siguro maraming function din yan. So, very old na talaga tong area na to. So, ayan. So, nakita nyo na yung mga peonies in that area. We're gonna go there. So, sulitin muna natin yung ating pag-iikot dito sa kabilang ibayo. So, ayan. So, enjoy lang kayo, guys. Stay put. Kasi talagang mai-enjoy naman talaga kayo sa area na to. O, diba? Yan. Yan yung kagandahan, guys. Kasi dito sa Sweden, meron silang mga ganito. Mga gardens na dinodonate lang ng may-ari. Kasi wala nga silang kamag-anak. O, diba? So, sana all talaga pwede nating sabihin how to be you. Oh, diba? So, ayan. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay put. May iba pa tayong iikutin. Bye-bye!